Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video, I take no delight in this. I'm trying to navigate this just like you guys because I'm kind of lost. So the Dollar General, a lot of us got this weird coupon, which is a 5 off of 35, and the verbiage has changed inside of it if you read the fine print. It's for Saturday only, and it's just funny. Some people even got like a 10 off of 60, and it's just weird. Through the machine on your register tape, I'm getting 5 off of 25 where I live, but I know a lot of people are getting the 5 off of 35. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about this, and I did have a friend on Instagram reach out to Dollar General to clarify, like, can you use coupons with this? Like, what is the deal? Because it actually says in the fine print that you cannot, and they're saying one thing, but it's written in a weird way, so it's like we're going to have to wait till Saturday to see how this thing really plays out. Now, here's the fine print, and if you read it, it says, must present discount coupon to the cashier, $35 or more pre-tax. After all discounts applied, limit one coupon per purchase. This coupon can't be combined with manufacturer coupons or other Dollar General coupons. Boom, that fourth sentence, there it is. However, a friend reached out to Dollar General and said, like, can we use this? Because it's a digital. It's not like you're going to present this to the cashier, this digital coupon. And it was they were very clear, and they said, hey, yes, you can use coupons with it. But then it's doing this. Now, I know that in some regions, because I do follow TikTok influencers who do a lot of Dollar General shopping, a lot of these girls were saying that the 5 off of 25 would not come off unless their basket was $25 after all coupons. And that was like really weird. And I thought, oh, can I see your receipt? This sounds weird. Da 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 da. But that's what was happening. And this one lady actually got a $25 basket after all of her coupons and paid $20. She was on a quest to figure this out. Like, nothing was working no matter what she did. And then she finally got it to work once she had $25 after all coupons. So that's really kind of a tough break. And honestly, I wouldn't spend $20 on these baskets if I can't use coupons to get those balances $10 or less, like we normally like to get it. So definitely, guys, Saturday will be the tipping point. Is this going to work? Is this not going to work? What does this weird verbiage mean? Using a paper instead of the digital, like, what's that all about too? So we'll have to wait and see how this plays out. Typically, my Saturday 5 off of 25 baskets, I put them on TikTok or Instagram. I don't really put them here because they don't get a lot of traffic. Like, people don't really care for this content. So I put it all there because I normally shop quite a bit on Saturdays. And this is the fastest way to build your stockpile. It is just an easier store, even though it might be $4 out of pocket to get that much merch for $4. It's totally what it's about. So I hate to do today's announcement. There's another announcement tomorrow. But I think moving forward, what we have to do, guys, is see what Saturday provides and how to utilize these coupons, the digitals or what have you. Are they going to be going with a 5 off of 35? If that does happen, I think that the majority of us will just stop doing these bigger baskets on a Saturday because to get $35 of merch down to $4 will be a really tall order. But that's never stopped us before in the past. Now, alternatively, for the shoppers that use this, what you would do is get the cashier to scan all your merchandise, present this, the cashier will scan it, and then press the final pay button, and it should work in concert with the two. Now, the verbiage on this coupon has not changed, and this was the one that was being issued in rural Michigan. I even got one yesterday when I was doing my little basket of stuff. So this is super weird what's going on there, and just really pay attention. If you get some crazy basket where you're paying $5 more, you can do that math quickly in your head. A basket that should be $4 is $9. Oops. Don't be shy to avoid the transaction because, like, why are you paying $9 for something that you get for $4? That's what I would absolutely do. And if this $35 basket is here to stick, or these new rules of, you have to be at $25 after all use of coupons, maybe the way to move forward is to do these little $5 or less baskets any day of the week. There's still deals to be had and found with digital coupons, and we'll just have to find them. And I know, like, take the biggest sigh that takes all the oxygen out of the room because you're super uber frustrated by this, but there is a way around it. There always is. Look at Meijer when they got rid of, you can only use 2 like coupons per transaction per day. There's still a way around it, but I think with the pandemic and price inflation, this is a way that Dollar General is just trying to change things around to their benefit. One of my accounts got this weird and goofy one. I would rather have this than the 5 off of 25, but it's a 5 off of 20. So we'll see what I can do with that. On social media, such as Instagram, TikTok, I will let you know what my findings are, or if everything's a big hot apple fail slash dumpster fire, I will also let you know that, keeping this transparent. But the company's saying, yes, you can use digital coupons with this, but the verbiage says something different. So we will have to see. Keep the faith, guys. And in the comments, share your findings as well, or let me know what digital coupon you got. Did you get the dreaded 5 off of 35 or the 10 off of 60, or perhaps this one? Let me know, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.